the Wireless Go microphone from Rode. Let's unbox this bad boy. 2 USB-C charging cables, 2 wind muffling thingies, the transmitter and receiver. Go on. Beautiful color display to show activity. Let's link it up. Connected. The wind muff just pops right in. It's like very fuzzy. It clips into the hot shoe just like so. The 3.5mm cable plugs right into the microphone input. The transmitter also has a microphone input. Comes with this handy little pouch. We're gonna go test this out. Let's go for a ride. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm just going to give a static shot here, and I'm pretty happy with the sound quality of it so far. I've not really used it outdoor, mostly just used it indoors. I have the Rode shotgun microphone, but it has some quality issues with interference. There's things I've tried to do to get rid of it, but yeah, I don't have full confidence in that microphone. So I did buy this version, and there isn't any of the staticky pop clicking interference noise that happens with it. So it's pretty much my full-time mic. Look at that. Okay, well. All right, I'm gonna try this test again, this time without alarming any motorists. Hopefully no one comes in the camera. This time I'm actually the way, so we're gonna see how the microphone with the dead cat attachment on it. It fell off a couple of times, which was a little bit alarming, but it seems to have stuck on this time. So we're gonna see what happens as everyone's staring at me, talking to myself, but that's okay, no one cares. Okay, here we are. So that was probably about a 600-meter range test. And I'm back. Okay, I'm just gonna ride slowly back. This time I'm actually going into the wind, so we're gonna see how the wind affects the microphone with the dead cat attachment on it. As we saw from the test, you have to make sure that you are facing the camera, because when your back is turned to it, your body is enough of a shield from the transmitter to the receiver where the audio will just cut out due to signal loss. The battery life has been excellent. I've probably charged this maybe once a week when I'm doing recordings of about 1 or 2 hours per session. It'll bring it back down to halfway. Honestly, I haven't really paid too much attention to the battery. And as long as I charge it before any lengthy recording session, I'm good to go. So in conclusion, I really like this system. It's compact, lightweight, has good consistent quality no matter where I am. It sounds pretty much the same and very hassle-free, with the only caveat is make sure that the transmitter and the receiver are within line of sight with each other, or the audio cuts out when you're at a distance. But if you're about this far away and you're kind of talking, it's all right. It's just, you just got to make sure you're not too far away with your back to it or blocking the receiver and the transmitter from each other. And that's it.